Right, now we're going to just show you how to copy some hardware into a new library. So for the purposes of this, we're going to copy some handles from the standard library into a custom library so that you can actually edit them, because in the standard library you can't make any cutout edits because they are locked. So one way around this is to copy parts from standard library into your own custom library. So let's first create a custom library. Give that a name, test library AC3. Yeah, brilliant. So I've now created a new library. So now we're going to select from the tree, find standard library, penalcom, find the handles, select them all, and then we're going to copy that to our library. This will duplicate all the parts and place them in our custom library. So now if we take a look within AC library test 3, there we have all of the parts ready to be edited or used.